All right, ladies, so we are unboxing the August Ivy box. Ooh, child. Okay, this is a heavy one. She is heavy. Yeah, she's heavy. Okay, it still comes in your regular box, but she is for sure heavy. For sure. See, they even had to seal it because she's heavy. Okay. So the August theme is pretty important. What is in the box? We have an AKA Rose Gold letter tray, an AKA Rose Gold stapler, an AKA Rose Gold pen holder, AKA Rose Gold tape dispenser, pretty important leatherette mouse pad, and a pretty important pencil set. Okay. So this is the info card here. Okay, so everything comes wrapped. It's all wrapped all together. So here we have the pencil set, you have the stapler, the tape dispenser, the pen holder, the tray, and then the mouse pad. So let's open this up, y'all. Okay, this is bomb. Look at this. It reads Alpha Kappa Alpha in the stapler. Let's see, I'm gonna try and get as close as I can. The light is causing some glare, but that's bomb. An acrylic stapler, Alpha Kappa Alpha. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. And so the tape dispenser says Alpha Kappa Alpha. Everything is acrylic, which I love. Uh-oh. The inside of the pen holder, another Alpha Kappa Alpha. Okay, we just have some pink and green pencils. They don't have erasers, but nonetheless, still so pretty. Okay, we have a mouse pad here, pretty important. So it kind of picks up on all the accent colors. So we have the pink and green with the rose gold to match the stapler and tape dispenser. And then lastly, it is the acrylic paper file. And look at that. Oh my God, okay. It has this shield on it. How awesome is that? I'm shooting on my iPhone today, so you could see the ring light and everything. But that is awesome. Oh, that's beautiful. I mean, I have a minor imperfection here. It's got a little glue, but that's okay. It's still beautiful. And I could probably wipe it down with some Goo Gone or something and knock all that out. But Ivy StoreHouse, once again, this is a wonderful box. Very thoughtful, especially because I'm soon to be going through the process of redoing my room and making my desk a workable space. So that I could get things done. And so all these great additions to my space will be awesome. So thoughtful, so great. Everything is so on brand for me. The acrylic with the rose gold, absolutely love it. So that is the August Ivy box. We've got some great things here and I'm excited. So size wise, ooh, I almost dropped that. They're not super big or bulky either, so they're perfect for a desk. So you can put everything, you know, it's the perfect desk size. So thank you, Ivy StoreHouse. This is great box. Keeping my subscription going. Sorors, if you need to subscribe to the Ivy box, I have a referral link in the description box that you could also use so that you too can get your monthly subscription box of the Ivy box, because I would recommend it. And so yes, that is the August Ivy box. Please look forward to the September one. I'm looking forward to the September one too. Peace.